Now here at Smitty's Diesel Repair, over at their new location in Rialto, they don't just service entire fleets of trucks. See these amazing trucks? We got a custom Peterbilt back there, a Wheaton ProStar. They also engineer these amazing custom beasts. Take a look at this 57 Chevy, restored by Mr. Smitty himself. Isn't this a doozy, my friends? Oh, look what Smitty did. Oh, yeah, you see right there. Oh, he's got a scoop on the hood. Holy Toledo. Happy birthday, Smitty. Oh, yeah. Full custom. Oh, what's that? Is that a nitrous can I see? Oh, let's take a look in the back. Oh, hey, Smitty's Diesel Repair. And yes, he's got some NOS back there. And I don't mean a liquid NOS. I mean real NOS. And there's his license plate. Wow. A509.